Hey Travis, it's Jordan Collins. I think you did a really good job explaining a lot of different aspects of networking, especially social networking and collaboration with other people. I feel like this was a really strong point that you mentioned, that it's good to collaborate and work well with other people so that you can gain new experiences, new ideas, and potentially gain new relationships with other people. I think it looks good, especially in the workforce, if a manager employer sees that you're collaborating strongly with other employees to tackle a similar task. I feel like that's a really good aspect to have in somebody. And if you were to work on your social networking through collaboration with others, this looks really good in potential careers later on. So overall, I think you did a really good job on your video. Thanks.